So now that I have finished transferring the caterpillars in the milkweed, I'm going to clean this now. I want to make sure there is not a single caterpillar here that fall off, because sometimes they fall off and they just travel. All the poop here. These are the poop. Look at how much poop there is. But they're all, you know, milkweed, so I'm not worried about it. Okay. Goes in my trash here. And this side, want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Can't really remove all of it. I'll just do the best I can. Aish. Oh, that goes in your trash. And then these are my new ones. Fresh ones. Now they are clean. So now I'm gonna move this. I think I lost some. Maybe they fall off because it looks like I only have 9. And I'm supposed to have, I don't know, 11, 12. But anyways, so that's that.